What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. This is something that a lot of people are talking about, and I got really interested. One, because I didn't even know what fungible meant. And saying this to my wife, she was just like, is that even a word? And I had to look it up with Alexa, and Alexa ended up saying that it was a word. Basically, it can't be duplicated. Being non-fungible, it can't be duplicated. So I wanted to dive into this and give you information on how you can create your non-fungible tokens, your NFTs, and hopefully you can get some sort of value out of it, and maybe you can have some fun while you're doing it. So before I get started, make sure you hit that like button, also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget that they're pushing AMC on Webull, so if you're looking to get free AMC shares, definitely hit that link down below, deposit $100 and you'll get those free stocks. Now, the reason I wanted to get into this is because it seems like they're the life of the party. You know, NFTs are something that is really interesting to a lot of people. Logan Paul made $5 million off of his NFTs. And this is where it gets really interesting. Now, I'm not saying that I want to make $5 million and I'm money hungry, but I want to find a way to implement it into my own system to where I can make my subscribers, some of my subscribers, stakeholders. We can have stakeholder meetings and basically do something fun with these NFTs as long as you're owning them. And if they do get shared for different people, that someone buys and sells it to a different person, then we can basically make them a stakeholder and add them into the stakeholder meeting. So I'm looking to do something interesting with this, but for this video, I really wanted to take you through how to create one. So the website that I'm using is Rarible. This is something that I looked at as a very easy to use website. There are other websites out there that you can actually create things with that not necessarily seem more legit, but just, I don't know, more put together than this. This just seemed really easy to build. But this is the website here. If you want to see my items and what I created, these are the ones that I created. Let's go ahead and look for the ones that are on sale. These two are on sale right now, and it was just something fun that I created because I wanted to see what it was all about. But it seems like a lot of people don't really like videos. It's more or less like that little image that you have, whatever image it actually is, and make it something that's a little rare, I guess. Something to where it can't be fungible. Right? It's not fungible. So this is one that I created. Let's go ahead and look at this one. This Matt here. So I wanted to talk about basically this book. If you're not familiar with day trading and you want to learn about day trading, this is a great book here. And I have it in my... Did you just throw up? So that's one NFT that I created. And then if we look at over here, we're going to see a different one. Basically just me being shocked. I wanted to create something crazy to see what would be interesting here. But these are the NFTs that I created. You can basically do anything to where you have a JPEG, you have an MP4 video, you have a number of different things that you can actually create with. But the main way that you do this is you go up to create here. You go up to create, you can create a single, you can create one that has multiple. Let's say you do want to create something that's not going to be fungible, that's going to be just easy to use. What you can do is easily select something. And let's say I wanted to select the one that I've seen as, you know, let's say a sad face here. So I wanted to see what that was all about. And you basically look at this and you say, okay, this is what I want. This is going to be my non-fungible token here. You have to do like a cover. So most times you'll just throw up any cover, and that's what I'll do. And then what you could do is you go down here and you want to put it on sale. When you do put it on sale, you're going to get a lot of different information here that you could fill out. And it makes it very easy for you to be able to use. So all you do is have an instant sale price you could put. Let's see, 0.1 Ethereum. And as you start to do that, it converts it into dollars if you're not familiar with it. If you wanted to do something that's 0.0001, basically $1.49, then you go ahead and fill in all of the other information here, whatever you wanted to say. Cats, I don't know. Cats, and the description is, you could say whatever you want here. It's very easy to just, you know, put something here. Maybe if you want to do something the way that I'm doing it when it comes to creating something that's more stakeholders, you can just say like you have stakeholders meeting. Right? You can do that. And then what you could do is if you did multiples of them, you'll be able to select multiples here. But really, you can select a royalty. Basically, anytime it is sold, you will receive a certain royalty if it is sold, which is a good thing because you're the creator of that. And then you go ahead and create the item. Now, when you create this item, it's going to basically go through your own wallet. You'll have to set something up with Coinbase or whatever, and then you'll get that request, which I'm getting that request. and then you'll go through all the things to where you can just sign it. Now it's going to be a cost, so they're going to have a mining fee. And then you're also going to get another mining fee, which will be a little bit higher. You'll get one that's basically like a small percentage, and then you'll get one that's like probably around like $30 or so. And that seemed to be the case for both of them. And it seemed like it was a little bit extra, but it is great to be able to create these NFTs. And there may be another system out there that doesn't charge you as much or charges you that one time. But I thought that this was really interesting to get into this. I'm definitely going to explore other websites just to see if there is another option out there, because it seemed like when I created both of them that I got charged that larger fee both times. And that's where it ended up being a little bit weird for me to pay basically two fees, that $3 fee, and then it was a $30 fee. So it was like 10 times what the original fee was. So after you create that, it basically goes up, and then it'll go into your file, into your Coinbase file. You'll be able to see that. And then also you'll be able to see it in your items here, to where you'll be able to see things that you just posted. To talk about basically this book, if you're not familiar with it. So it's very simple to be able to set this up. And if you wanted to do something where either it's a video, or you can do something with a JPEG, you can do something with a picture, then you can have those linked to maybe your YouTube, or just, make them out there and be like a rare token. There are a lot of Elon Musk tokens that I've seen, Dogecoin tokens. There's a lot of things that are out there. So you're not going to be the first to create something. Just make something unique for your own situation. If you're a YouTuber, influencer, anything, you can create these NFTs and be able to build something special. So that's what I had for you guys. Let me know if you really like this video, if you want something more in depth, because I have other websites that are out there, other apps that are out there that give you, I don't know, a little bit better of a platform. It seems like everything is put together a little bit better. So let me know if you're interested in that. But I thought that NFTs were absolutely amazing. When I first heard about them, I was just like, what is going on here? Like, why is this so interesting? Why is this valuable? Why is a clip of LeBron dunking more valuable than someone just going online and downloading it and now it's theirs? I don't know why it's more valuable. I still don't know the answer to that. Yes, they do own it, and I don't know what they can do with it. Maybe if they own it, can they copyright it because they do own that clip? If NBA sells it to them and then they end up using it on TV, do they now own the clip and they can sue NBA or sue ESPN for them using that exact clip? That would be kind of interesting, but I don't think that's the case. Yes, they're the creator of that clip, and that'll always be there. And then, them using it as the owner, the person using it as the owner is able to use it without any type of copyright, I guess. But we'll see how all of this plays out. I just know that people are valuing these tokens to an extreme level. And it's absolutely crazy. I value them too. There are some people that are paying, tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars on these tokens, and it's crazy. So let me know what you think about NFTs. Do you believe that they're the future, that we're just looking at something that's kind of in the now and it's not going to be something that's in the future? Or do you think that they're going to be valuable as we, go on? Because as we start to create rare NFTs, then people start to want those things. It's just like, the form of supply and demand. If you only have 5 pairs of shoes out there, everybody is going to want those shoes. And the cost of those shoes is going to end up going up. You're going to sell it to different people for more and more of a price. So let me know what you think about it. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Remember, Webull is giving away free shares of AMC. When you sign up, deposit $100, you'll get those free stocks. You'll either get probably 1 or 2. It looks like they're pushing that a lot more than they do every other position. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.